What's up, guys? In this video today, we were supposed to do a Nutcracker dance show or whatever, and then because of weather and snow, it got canceled. It's me after the video telling you what happened and why we ended up filming a video, because we were bored in the car, me and Elenor, and we had nothing else to do because originally we were supposed to be dancing on a stage, but that didn't happen. So yeah, let's get on with the video. That was a weird thing. Elenor,
What?
can you tell me what drink you got?
I got matcha. Strawberry matcha.
Strawberry matcha. Okay.
Why?
I don't know.
Are you making fun of my drink choices?
No, I'm
Are you
filming
sure?
you.
Oh.
I can. Stitch.
Alright, we need a gas station.
Very good.
Yes.
Alright, do you guys need a gas station?
I was really. Are you good?
I started laughing, so I didn't want to
Hold on, ladies. I don't know where I'm going.
Yeah, I forgot I was filming. I'm just holding the phone now.
Did you think there's a huge road in front of us?
Yeah.
It says turn right.
So turn right.
It feels like the wrong way, doesn't it?
I think it's
We
okay.
came that way.
Yeah, we came from that way, so we're gonna leave from that way too. I believe in you, Mama. You got this.
Did I do it?
Yeah, you did it! Go, Mama!
Okay, now we also need a gas station.
Gas station! Yay! Ooh, she get chippies.
Chicken wings?
I said chippies.
Oh, I thought you said chicken. I was like, what? Aren't you vegan? That confused me so much. I guess I'm just filming.
My straw's broken. That's why it's hard to drink.
How do you keep breaking your straw?
Okay, story time. So, at the Village Inn, it's this restaurant inside of
Please, that we live there. We're not allowed to
It
say.
used to have bamboo straws, and bamboo's like really hard. You can't break it.
Yeah.
I chew on my straws. I always broke my straws, so every time I had to get like 5 straws, and they like, knew me there because they were like, "You're the girl who breaks the straws, aren't you?" I'm like, "Yeah, that's me." And then they said one day when I came in, they were like, "Yeah, we got new straws because you kept breaking all of them." I made them get plastic straws. That was me.
You ruined the world.
But
Elinor
yeah,
killed the sea turtles.
I love turtles. Got my mindset on you. Got my mindset on you.
And that's called brainwashing.
Yesterday, we were walking out of the store, and I found a car, and I thought it was ours, so I went up to it, and I was singing a song. I can't remember what song it was, though. And I was singing the song and doing this up to the car, and my mom said, "That's not our car." And there was a person in the car. And then I did it up to another car, and
Car that wasn't us.
I thought it was our car, and there was another car that wasn't ours.
Was there someone in that one or no?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, we need to get back to the car.
There's a person. Sorry. It was just the snow.
Here, I gotta get it on the other side.
Sorry.
You should just hang out at my house and sled with me down my hill.
It's so cold. I just hit my mama with the door. Oopsies.
Four-wheel drive. Try our best.
I really don't like this song. This is like one of my least favorite songs from this movie.
What if we like do this? That's not gonna work.
It's not gonna work, though.
Uh-huh.
Might work. It kind of works.
It worked.
It's probably gonna get knocked over like 5 times. I'm just gonna film the whole
I'm
time.
gonna take my hair out.
We can take our hair out. I didn't even think of that. I have hairspray in my hair though.
I'm just taking my bun out. I will. I'm just taking my bun out. I'm gonna let my ponytail in though. My hair was really wavy this morning. It looked really good.
Oh well, I braided my hair before I went to sleep last night, so that's why it was wavy. But
Good for you.
There's a car in the ditch already, guys.
Wait,
whoa!
it's into the fence.
This must be a lot of ice here.
Yeah, they should be careful right here.
Yeah, be careful, Mama.
That's scary.
Well, I already almost crashed the other day with my dad and my brother. So
Oh my God,
Yeah.
Katie.
I could,
Look at this
I
jet.
could make
Look
it
at
a
this
YouTube
jet.
video.
Look at the
because we're not in
jet. Look at the
studio.
jet. Look at the jet.
Oh, there's a jet.
I waved it. I waved at the
What in
jet.
the world?
I can make this a YouTube video.
Are you allowed to play music?
Yeah.
Sorry.
What?
I have
You're
one
fine.
brush, and it has a little bit of pink hair in it.
Oh,
Because I was
that brush, Allie. That.
See, look, this is why I was dressed like I was in the 80s, because it poofs up my hair.
We're not in the 1800s no more.
Yeah, I've never lived in the 1800s, sadly.
Neither have I. I think it would be cool though.
Yeah.
So here we are, calmly taking out our hair, and then...
Shit, hold on, everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why aren't the all-wheel drive
There we go.
We just slid off the road.
Yeah.
We're good.
Wouldn't it be fun?
No.
It would be fun, though.
How did you do that so quick?
Because I've gotten used to it.
Well, I'm taking my good old sweet time.
Three Musketeers.
Bam, Jeff. Are you dancing?
Yeah. I dropped my Three Musketeers.
I know. Pick it up. We don't want it melting in the new car. Oh, it's nice and warm in here.
Alright, we're gonna have to turn up here at the sign.
Okay.
Stop sign. Turn right on Elenor Drive Southwest.
Got the snow mode on.
Have you ever done donuts before in a car, Elenor?
I haven't gotten to drive.
I
I
mean,
only
like-
get to drive like on my front foot.
Like, has your dad done donuts with you in the car or anything?
No, because there's no spot to do it.
Oh. Yeah, one time my dad, he was like, "Have you guys ever done donuts?" We were like, "No," and he took us to like this empty parking lot. I forgot what that was called. And then we just did donuts for like 20. Are you like chewing on the straw and that's why it's happening?
I told you I chew on my straws.
River Road closed.
I cut my hands. I just had my water. It looks like a winter wonderland.
It does. It's like we're actually in snowstorm.
Is this a normal thing where you listen to musical music or no?
Yeah. Why not?
Last time that you picked music in the car, you picked Sophia the First. This time we can actually sing it. And we won't be interrupted.
Wow. It's searching in the dark.
Who's doing this?
This isn't Hugh Jackman. Oh, someone texted you.
Bombastic side eye. Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
Hey, we're gonna be there. Hopefully tomorrow. That's the mansion that we go to.
That's the mansion.
Oh.
Is there anything that looks like a field house?
I don't know if the camera's catching it, but
Put it down.
we're gonna be there tomorrow,
Can I
hopefully.
show you guys my high notes, Mama? Please.
Just sing the song and your high notes.
Hallelujah!
Bombastic side eye.
Hallelujah!
Bombastic side eye.
Found a note or two in there.
Wait.
Why did you sing the Jeff Bexley version is nicer?
Wait, what was I singing before? How was I doing it?
I don't know.
That one.
Hallelujah!
It's around there somewhere.
Bombastic side eye.
Stop.
But it was my high notes. You
Here, I
told
like
me
these
I could
houses.
show that.
You went to school yesterday.
In Oklahoma.
Come on, right there.
I know, Daddy told me that.
My parents got married, and I love how like we started eating a bunch again because we knew that we weren't gonna dance. Because we were eating originally, and then we stopped because we knew we were gonna dance, and then we started eating again because we know we're not gonna dance.
After the first show, that one day, Brendan was like, "How did you even get those holes in your shoes?" Because like, wait, hold my shit.
You have a hole in your shoe?
Yeah,
I
it
have
does.
holes in my side of my shoes. So I have this is my right shoe.
Like where the shoe meets the plastic or the...
No, but I have like a hole in my bunion right here.
Oh, well, that's
And then-
probably not good.
On this one, I have a hole in the toe.
Like the
But
piece of
like,
soap.
it's not like the whole shoe. It's just like the first layer. And Brendan's like, "How do you even do that?" And I'm like, "I don't know."
I bet I could fix it for you.
He was making fun of my shoes.
Well, because there's holes in them.
So
I bet I could fix it for you.
he probably has tons of shoes with holes.
She's got her shoe
They're too
on.
big on me. See, look, like half of the
Yeah.
heel.
Driving in a shoe
Driving in the
store.
shoes.
That's
That's real knee slapper.
That would be really cool to see shoes falling out of the sky.
It's raining cats and dogs.
Well, what if it was raining really expensive shoes?
Oh, but taking them out of the sky.
And then you could sell them online, and we could be billionaires.
I was thinking I would put them on my feet and wear them, but okay, that works too.
My order has been delivered.
I like how we both turned our heads to read it.
No, it was the shoes that I got.
Oh, we were just talking about shoes, weren't we?
That was like perfect timing. That
I think
my dad probably didn't even notice that I was really gone.
Alright. Do they like my jacket? They like my jacket.
Oh,
It's a new
God.
jacket. I got it
This is gonna be a long
yesterday.
drive if we go 20 miles an hour the entire way.
Honk!
No, we're at safety. No.
Honk, honk! Keep driving, people!
Sorry, that made me cough.
You're making... Oh, there it is.
It looks like a palm.
It's my straw.
It looks like a palm tree.
It's my straw.
That's what I was gonna say. It looks like a palm tree.
Bombastic side eye.
Get it.
Bombastic side eye.
Okay, then.
You have to see outside the.
You know what?
Don't blame save me, love made me crazy. If it doesn't mean we're doing it right. Lord save me, my drug is my baby. I've been using it for the rest of my life. Use it for the rest of my life. Oh, Lord save me, my drug is my baby. Sorry, I thought we were gonna keep going.
Bombastic side eye.
Like Taylor Swift.
Me either. It's just a famous song, so.
Wow, don't save me, love made me crazy. If it doesn't mean we're doing it right. Lord save me, my drug is my baby. I'll be using for the rest of my life. For the rest of my life. Oh. Wait.
Because Taylor Swift came on.
Do the thing from Wicked. No, actually do it.
I know how to scream quietly.
Do it.
Can you do the crazy?
No, do the thing from Wicked.
Which thing?
Wow, that thing. No, actually do it.
Doesn't she switch to like high?
No.
I feel like she does though.
No, she doesn't. Okay.
You have to show me. That's the thing you have to show me.
Define gravity, Wicked.
Defying gravity.
Gravity, Wicked.
Elphaba. Linda. Elphaba. Linda.
Lord, give me my drum, is my baby. I'll be using for the rest of my life. Can you turn the volume down?
I'm trying to find the part.
Yes,
Just look up Elphaba singing part or whatever.
So if you care to find me, to the western. Elphaba defying gravity.
As someone told you lately,
Everyone deserves a chance to fly. And if I'm flying solo, it means I'm flying free.
Why do you sound like a creepy video?
because I can.
Guys, I can't find it. It's
I
like,
find
wow. Wow.
We sing a lot of musical songs.
Wow.
I feel like your guys are gonna be the reason we end up in that jet.
Was that really good?
Yeah,
I bet that's
probably.
really good.
It was very engaging.
Wow.
I'm gonna wait till we get out of the car to do it then.
I was talking. Okay, the other day, we were going to dance, and I rolled out of the car because like I wanted to roll out of the car. So my mom was like, okay. She was like, okay, let me slow down. So I was like, okay.
Super slow.
So she was going really slow. So I opened the door and I just rolled out of the car. And then I walked inside, and Bob was like, what did you just do? I'm like, I rolled out of the car.
And then he said to not roll out of cars to everyone.
Yeah, he was joking, but he said don't roll out of cars at the end of practice.
I remember that. And I had a feeling it was you that did that. Because you're crazy. And I didn't roll out of a car, so why would he be?
You're pretty much the only two that would do that.
Yeah. I could say Brennan or Ollie doing that, though.
Even boys would follow you out of the car. I don't think they'd jump first. They were raised better than that.
Okay, so people are always like, if your friends jumped off a bridge, would you jump too? And they like, if there's water under it, I would be the first one jumping.
Yeah.
If your friends jumped off the bridge, you'd be the reason.
I would be the reason, yeah.
We are going to jump off the bridge when we're older, though. Because remember, we were
I
going
want
to
to
go
go bungee jumping and skydiving. I
I
love.
wonder if you're old enough or big enough to go bungee jumping in Australia.
Really?
Yes.
You
Yeah.
and Zachary, maybe.
I'm going to Australia this summer, and I'm also going to England, Europe, but same thing.
Yeah, I wonder like if they have lower age ranges and things like that, you know?
Wait, let's put my chair back. Oh, that's all it goes. Oh, there's something behind
I
me.
thought you were on
My
the
bag's behind me. Nothing else there. Not my matcha. Not my matcha. Not my matcha.
Wait, there's nothing in it though.
My straw's in it.
What if I just, do you think I could eat all this in one bite?
No, I don't want to.
Oh, how about this?
Sure. It's cotton candy, dummy.
I can make it purple. Can you sit like this?
That's how I sit.
For water. I used to always have a bob for like ever, and then my mom shaved all of her hair off because our grandma had brain cancer, so she had to shave off all of her hair. So when my mom did that, I had no idea about any of that. So when I witnessed her shaving off all of her hair, I started crying, and then I never cut my hair short again.
Okay, so
I keep considering it to like cut it short, not a bob, no, like.
okay, let me talk now.
What?
Okay, so when I was like a baby, I had really long golden hair. I still have golden hair, but like it's not really that long anymore. It's
Doesn't
long,
that look
but
good?
it's not really long.
Like that?
Sure, whatever. Let me talk.
Okay,
And
go
I
ahead.
had hair like down to my hips when I was a baby. It's not that long, but like. And then I cut it all off, and like, cause my dad was watching me, cause my mom went to the store, and he took a phone call, and then so I was cutting my Barbie's hair on the couch. So then I was like, I'm out of hair to cut on my Barbie. Let me just cut my own hair. So I cut my own hair off, and then I had to go to the my mom. I had to go to the barber shop and get my hair cut off, and it was so sad because like if I was witnessing it now, I'd be like, don't you dare do that, you have such long beautiful hair. And then I cut it again in the bathtub once, so I had to get a
side eye.
that. It was like a pixie cut of that too. I looked really cute with a pixie cut and short hair, but like my beautiful long hair is gone.
I don't want to cut my hair short now because then I'd have to learn a new way to do my bun.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive. Bombastic side eye.
I don't know. I just had a random idea and I want to try
Bombastic side eye.
to see what it does.
Bombastic side eye.
If I just, like,
Criminal
hair
offensive
tie.
side eye. Bombastic side eye.
This is the slowest drive ever.
Yeah.
Bombastic side eye.
I'm gonna look like
Bombastic side eye.
I'm dressing up as Cindy Lou Who for school.
how does that look? I don't know. I
It's
got
gonna be hard to get out.
Honestly, it doesn't look bad.
yeah.
Look at the poor cows.
Well, why are they not inside?
No!
Did you say move or moo?
Move. Like
Oh.
move inside.
Oh.
Duh. Yes.
There's a snowstorm. Is that how you would say it to them? No?
Move! There's a move! Move! What the hell are you about?
My necklace?
Cotton candy.
No.
There. Spaghetti.
handshake for a while, but I forgot it.
Oh wait, I want to teach you a handshake. I know. Look at that. It's called aggravation. Okay, it's an actual handshake. You ready?
Okay. What?
Aggravation, rehabilitation. Aggravation, this is how you play. First you take a bowling ball, throw it down the Mets hall. Sorry, daddy, love you, daddy. Ooh, ooh, ah. Then you take a wedding dress, cut it up and make a mess. Sorry, mama, love you, mama. Ooh, ooh, ah. Then you take scissors, throw 'em at your sister. Sorry, sissy, love you, sissy. Ooh, ooh, ah. Then you take a garden hose, shove it in your brother's nose. Sorry, Bubba, love you, Bubba. Ooh, ooh, ah. Aggravation, rehabilitation. Aggravation, this is how you play.
Where did you learn that?
Summer camp.
Oh, summer camp.
Let's make a
handshake.
handshake, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, everyone, get ready, cause it's time for making a handshake in a car while in a snowstorm.
What do you want to do? Oh, you want to do this?
Wait. Bad. Ouchie. That was a bad.
That's bad. There's not going to be a table where we handshake. Still, we could like. Wait. There.
And then 1, 2,
3. What if like I can't really twist right now, but what if we like like that,
that thingy.
and then I twist, and then you get on my back?
Oh yeah.
But we can't do that in the car.
We can do it once we get to my mommy's friend's house.
Yeah. Okay.
Is the slip back in still? No.
I don't have a slip back anymore. There's actually a little bit of mascara there, and a little bit of mascara there, because my mascara rubs off after a while.
Hey,
But
Billy
it's-
Bob Joe. High five. Boom.
Well, where's Billy Bob Joe? Are you a psychic now? You can see ghosts.
It's Mr. Watson.
Mr. What's It?
Yeah.
I've been seeing Mr. What's It. I didn't see him though. So
Mr. Watson's right there.
he's right there.
You're terrifying. Car's on, don't touch anything.
All right, you want to get out of the car so we can do our handshake?
Yeah.
I can't even see it with my hair. We are on an adventure today, aren't we? Okay, ready? Back up. So, and then I twist you, you twist me, and you get on my back. Oh, that worked! Okay, you want to do it again? Okay. Twist you. Twist you.
It works.
But you can get on my back again.
The dog needs to come in.
Doggies need to come.
Come in. Oh, the double chin was crazy. Did you see that?
It's like 10 minutes.
Here is us yet again before.
Is everybody buckled?
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright, well, that was fun.
2 times.
Okay, so
And my eyes depend on what color I'm wearing and what colors are surrounding me.
My eyes can either look blue or gray, so.
My eyes are either bright blue, gray, or green.
when you were born, Elenor, your
I
eyes
had
were
navy blue eyes.
and your hair was
I had dark
curls.
brown hair.
Oops, sorry.
I had dark brown curly hair, and now I have blonde wavy hair.
Okay.
Well,
The phone didn't fall. That's crazy.
ASMR.
Oh. I was reading. Oh, sorry.
One more tip, because you interrupted me.
Oh.
ASMR. There you go.
I'm reading this like diary called Dear Nobody, and
Dear Mr. What's It?
Dear Mr. What's It. Roll down a window.
It's snowing again.
Oh no, Dad. Minutes.
Okay, so we should be good for another
She's
while.
filming me, filming myself.
You're filming yourself?
Yeah. Hi.
Why is yours like look pink and mine just looks normal?
Pink's better, like always.
You should put your shoes on.
Mom's at my house.
Why did you text me the other day randomly? Are you okay?
Because.
Because
Yeah.
I was just wondering. It was so random. You were like, "Are you okay?"
Here we go.
I feel like we hit it. Hooray. Yeah, and then we just have to turn
We
on
didn't
the
crash.
She said, okay, come to the front door.
Listen, it's very snowy.
Say
I
bye,
got this.
Elenor.
Bye, Elenor. The door's locked!